In this video, we're diving into a powerful feature of Way We Do that'll help you streamline your work and keep things organized: sub-processes. Think of them as checklists within checklists. They're perfect for those complex procedures that have multiple moving parts or require different teams to collaborate. What are sub-processes? A sub-process is an individual procedure that's nested inside a main or parent process. Instead of creating one massive checklist, you can break it down into smaller, manageable chunks. For example, if your main process is onboarding a new employee, you can create sub-processes for IT setup, HR paperwork, and welcome kit assembly. Why use them? Sub-processes bring a lot of value. Clarity. They help simplify complex workflows, making them easier for everyone to follow. Efficiency. They allow different teams to work on their part of a process simultaneously, saving time. Consistency. They ensure that every step, no matter how small, is completed correctly every time. Security and privacy. Keep the sub-process private so only specific people have access, but you remain aware of the job being done. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create, link, and manage sub-processes. Let's get started. To add a sub-process, select Show Existing Content, then click to select a sub-process. Either scroll to locate or search for the checklist you want to link as a sub-process. Once selected, the sub-process settings will display. Allow multiple runs enables you to run the sub-process multiple times. When using this feature, you can then set a minimum number of times that the sub-process must be run before the step in the primary process can be marked as complete. Check Step Upon Completion will automatically mark the step in the primary process as complete once the minimum number of sub-process instances have been done. If you switch this off, the step will need to be checked manually. Once your primary process has been saved, you'll see the sub-process linked. Clicking the link will open the sub-process in another window. There are icons that let you know if multiple runs are set up and if the step is set to autocomplete. When completing the checklist, you will now launch the sub-process from within the primary process. You will have a start page to name the sub-process instance and add collaborators. We've added an option to automatically use the collaborators from the primary process. There's also a link back to the primary process, and clicking Cancel will also navigate you back. Once the sub-process is complete, the activity page will contain a message and a link letting you know this instance was run from a primary process. Back on the primary process, the step will show any sub-process instances that were run. Selecting this will navigate you to the sub-process instance. We've also updated how a sub-process displays within a flowchart, indicating any steps with sub-processes with a different color and the sub-process icon. Selecting the eye symbol will display what the sub-process is and contains a link to view it. So there you have it. You're now ready to create clarity, efficiency, and consistency with sub-processes. If you need any support, send us a chat or email us on support@waywedo.com.